Fire, whether it be wildfires, bushfires, or planned burns by various government agencies, affect the plants and animals that are in our landscape. And my job at the University of Melbourne is to try and help understand what those effects are and how managers can reduce any impact, or even better, make the landscape more suitable for a greater variety of plants and animals to persist. The science at the moment suggests that many plants and animals are very tolerant of fire. And as an ecologist, that doesn't surprise me, because fire's been part of the Australian landscape for hundreds of thousands of years. And any organisms that weren't tolerant have gone away effectively. So the group that are left are pretty tough. However, there are still a few that are sensitive. They're the ones, for example, that might live in the wetter forests or in the rainforest areas, where fire has not had an evolutionary role. So we now know a lot about those, and so we can then provide that advice to management about how they might protect those areas, or how they might treat them in a particular way so as not to disadvantage the organisms that live there. The Victorian land management agencies, along with others in other states, are using fire as a tool to manipulate the landscape. Some of that is to reduce risk to life and property, but at the same time they have an obligation to protect our biodiversity. So our research helps to better understand how fires that achieve both risk reduction and ecological purposes can work together. Can you get both outcomes at the same time, or if not, what are the trade-offs in the system?